Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Within channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Master HAF 5 Pro gaming system. So friend, Cooler Master has announced fully built gaming system designed to deliver robust performance and seamless gameplay powered by the Intel Core i7-12700F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti graphics card. So friend, the HAF 500K is the system support a distinctive design reminiscent a monster truck, bold and rugged. So friend, the gaming system comes with large front intake, direct air access, critical components while a dedicated VGA ensure heat is removed quickly from the graphics card area and maintaining stable temperature during marathon gaming season and deliver quick load times and responsiveness in game performance with 16 GB DDR4, 32 MHz RAM and 1 TB M.2 NVMe SSD offer ample space for operating system, files, game library and creative software and all with fast read and out speed and automatically allocate resources from smoother and more consistent experience during CPU and GPU intensive gameplay upgrade to the color range of many DirectX 11 and DirectX 12 titles, bringing out richer highlight and deeper contrast, reduce loading times by streamlined data transfer from NVMe SSD and allowing games to load asset faster for near instant impression. With this enhancement, players gains not only improve visual and responsiveness but also a user experience. For near instant impression, with the enhancement, players gain not only improve visual responsiveness but also a user interface that's organized and optimized for both work and play. An official Windows 11 image and screenshot can be included to highlight this feature. With real-world performance vary based on the resolution and game setting. The HF5 Pro is designed to handle modern titles at 1080p and 1440p with ease. In popular esports game, a user can typically expect well over 100 frames per second, ensuring fluid motion and minimal input lag. And AAA title also benefit from the system powerful combination of CPU and GPU, delivering high detail levels without sacrificing smooth frame rate. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.